feels uncomfortable, a little tight on the side. I think I need to adjust it looser. Definitely need to loosen it up a bit, especially when I wear the uniform. It's hard to breathe. Yeah, it's way too tight. And I still got this. Need to adjust this, mess around. We have this one versus this one. This one's a lot more cooler. Oh, the lighting sucks. I need better lighting. Look at all that gear I have. Freaking, once I'm out the army, it's all going to eBay. Whatever, I don't turn into CIF. Yeah, living in Germany, you don't exactly have closet space for anything. Or any closets at all, so that's what it is. Got some new gear from work. Just assembled this one. Now I'm gonna assemble my helmet. Still need to put on the straps. Oh yeah. Alright, I adjusted it. Feels much more better now. I can breathe, especially when I have the uniform on. I'm so dumb. Literally, CIF forgot to give me the straps. Because I was thinking I attached these straps, but no, that's not how it works. So I need to go back to CIF next week, ask for straps. Hopefully they'll give it to me because everyone knows how they can be. Ready for war! I don't look as dumb anymore, just a little bit. Missing the straps and then I'll be straight. I get to look cool now. What's the #1 rule of infantry? You gotta look cool. Peace out.